everyone, I am B. Soumya. I am studying BSc Chemistry Honours in first year in JTC College. I would like to share about ecosystem of corals and their lifestyle and the reproduction, almost how it causes and harmful to corals, how it becoming a coral bleaching and how we control that corals. I would first like to share about classification of coral reefs. Domain Eukarya, phylum Cnidaria, class Asteroidea, order Velvetidea, family Ophidia asteroidea, genus Lyncia, species Lavigata. And next we have to know about corals. What is corals? Corals are made up of a thousand of 100 to thousand of tiny individual corals called polyps. Polyps are soft in nature, they are cylindrical in nature, mouth are surrounded by top on the body, surrounded the tentacles. First, look here, these are the polyp in nature. Most of the corals are belonging to the polyp in nature only. These are the tentacles. Mouth is surrounded by the tentacles on the body surface. And coral reefs protected by coastline, and these are the coastlines. And erosion provide jobs for local community and offering opportunities for recreation. Most of the large number of groups of corals means a beautiful and fantastic corals are 100 to 1000 belongings to these coral reefs only. There are number of these corals are belonging to the coral reefs. And first appearance of coral reefs are about 485 million years ago. The early Ordovician displacing the microbes, algae, bacteria and coral reefs on the Cambrian. The Ordovician reefs are soft in nature and were mostly found on mud mound on the body surface of the corals. And these are the first scientists are look has these corals like this only. And number of corals they found and different beautiful and fantastic number of thousands to number of corals are belonging to this phylum. They are polyps and medusa. Most of the corals are belonging to polyp. Most of the classes belonging to the Anthozoa, including Anemones, which are mainly two subclasses. Let's show now what they are. They are Octocorella and Hexacorella. Octocorella are soft corals and do not have limestone structure. Instead of limestone structure, they are made up of calcium carbonate. Let's show now. These are the examples of Octocorella. These are the living mushroom and these are the coral bleaching mushroom. Because in the presence of zooxanthellae, it can survive and they prepare their own food through photosynthesis. But when it loses the zooxanthellae, it becoming a white in nature. And Hexacorella. Hexacorella are the stony and hard in nature. They are made up of a calcium carbonate. And these are the examples of Hexacorella. They are zooxanthides, gorgonians and including other classes, they are belonging to the Cubozoa and Hydrozoa. Cubozoa are box jellyfish is the example because they are cube-like shape, and Hydrozoa. Hydrozoa containing organisms such as Portuguese man of wars. Some corals are including fire corals and hydroids. These are the examples of Cubozoa and Hydrozoa. In 1981, UNESCO declared they are occupied 0.1% of water's ocean area, and coral reefs are provide at least 25% to fishes, molluscans, worms, crustaceans, echinoderms, sponges and other cnidarians. And according to UNESCO, the Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, composed to over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands stretching over the 2,300 kilometers. The various types of creatures are present in Great Barrier Reef. They are Fishes, 1500 types of species. Corals, 400 types of species. Molluscans, 4000 types of species. And in every year, according to Australian Institution of Marine, according to NOAA, National Ocean Atmosphere and Administration, the every year, according to Australian Institution for Marine Sciences, released one report about conditions of coral reefs and how it becoming useful to us. And since it has been started 31 years ago, and in every year they provide report